Hi, welcome to another edition of GK Vision. I'm Jeff Wielden, Director of Global Knowledge's Cisco Business for Europe, Middle East and Africa. And I'm joined today by Remco Reinhardt from our partner Conceptsales to talk about our new program, Cloud Managed Services, Partner Enablement. Remco, welcome.
Thank you, Jeff.
Thank you for being here today to talk about the Cloud Managed Services Partner Enablement program.
You're welcome.
Can you briefly describe what the program is about?
Yes, of course. The program is specifically designed for Cisco business partners who have the ambition to transform their business from a traditional hardware and project business to a managed services or cloud computing business, thereby reducing the time to market for them from anywhere from 12 months to maybe 3 months.
Fantastic. Okay. So before we dig down into the program, why is the transformative program so important?
The program is important because what we see in today's marketplace is that customers are more and more demanding finished solutions. Rather than having to buy the hardware and the software themselves, implement it and manage it themselves, they're requiring finished solutions. They want to buy functionality. Whereas if you look at the Cisco business partners, they do add a lot of value to those clients. They have a local presence, they have customer intimacy, which is very much valued by those clients. So the most obvious step to take for Cisco business partners today is to move their business into managed services or cloud computing, and thereby meeting the demand from their customers.
Which sounds absolutely logical. So why the need for this program?
What the program does is, if you look at what needs to be done in order to make this transformation, is that a business needs to make first a business plan and an implementation plan, a proper business planning. The next step they need to take is to start thinking about the service themselves, design it in detail, what is included, what is excluded, what is the target group, what are the advantages, USPs, what tools do I need, what knowledge do I need, etc., etc. Then they need to start producing all kinds of materials for sales, enable to sell it successfully, sales presentation, standardized quotation, etc. And finally, you need all the documentations in your delivery department to deliver the services, work instructions, procedures, implementation plan, service catalog. So, and what the program does is it provides all this material predefined to a partner.
Okay, so tell us a little bit about those pre-packaged tools that the partner can take advantage of.
Yeah, what they receive is 3 different kits. They receive a business kit, which contains a business calculation tool in which we can make a specific business case calculation for each partner. So it includes their own cost structure, it includes their own customer base, their own sales forecast, etc., etc. The second kit is a sales kit. This contains all the basic material a salesperson needs to successfully sell this. A standardized quotation, a full contract with service level agreements, etc. An implementation plan, etc. So anything sales need to convince a customer that he's selling a proper service. And the last kit is an operations kit. And in that we have all kinds of documents for a delivery department to deliver the services on a high quality level. Procedures, work instructions, a standardized implementation plan, service catalog, up till even profiles for the employees they need in order to deliver the service correctly.
Okay, so there's a kit almost for every aspect of the partner's business. So how does the partner actually adopt these tools and business changes?
Yeah, that's a very good question. That's why we combined the program with a comprehensive training program, which is conducted by Global Knowledge, in which we will train the business owner to make their own business case. We will train the portfolio owner on the content of the services and how he's going to be able to manage and maintain all the documentation and modify it to suit their own customer specific requirements. There's a training program for salespeople to teach them how to sell services instead of hardware, and also there's a training program for the delivery responsible manager in order to how to adapt the documentation, how to implement the process, procedures, etc.
Okay, so underpinning really the success of the program is the combination of the Conceptsales expertise working in the cloud managed services environment and the education services of Global Knowledge combined together to really help transform the partner to be able to go and deliver those services to their customer.
Yeah, exactly. Spot on.
Fantastic. And so for a partner now who's listened to us today talk about the program, and they want to know more,
Yeah.
where do they go next?
The first step, I would advise you to go to www.cmspep.com.
Okay.
In there they will find more information about the program, and they can sign up, after which they will receive a personal WebEx session in which we will introduce the program in detail to them. We can answer questions they might have, and after that they can decide whether or not to join the program, and after which we will schedule the training program and provide them with all the documentation and tooling.
So, pretty simple. For what potentially is a complex change in the partners organisation, this really is giving them a very simple and well supported process to be able to go to market as a cloud managed service provider.
That is the added value of this program, Mark. Any company can make this transformation on its own, but our experience shows that it will easily take 12 to 15 months to do that change, and thereby consuming a lot of resources, both financially and non-financially. With this program, the first 25 partners that have signed up for this program have proven that they can be successful within 3 to 6 months at only a fraction of the cost that it will take them if they want to do the transformation themselves. So that is the added value of this program for them.
Fantastic. Remco, thank you for your time. Look forward to working with you and the partners.
Thank you, Jeff.